Hi everyone, Sreenath Sreenivasan here. I'm the former Chief Digital Officer of the City of New York, before that the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and before that Columbia University. Yes, I'm a fellow colleague in the world of academia. I was a professor for more than 25 years. I now run a small social media digital consultancy, which does a lot of training. And this topic of AI is so important, and I'm so glad that you're all doing a deep dive, 10 days deep dive into the world of AI. It's something that's so complicated, so many opportunities, so many problems, so many challenges, and you're going to learn so much, not so much from me, but from other people. But I'm so glad to be part of the inaugural program for this day. I hope you will all be able to join us. There is so much to talk about, so much to understand, and I think there is a lot of interesting things that are changing almost every day in the world of AI. Here's how I used to look when I started. I had hair when I was teaching first, and look at that computer, look at that laptop. It was 1998. I'd already been teaching for 3 years, and now I'm teaching AI workshops. There's so much to talk about with AI, where it's all going, what the challenges are for all of us, and especially in the world of academia. Look at these headlines. What is happening? A university in Texas, a professor attempted to fail his students by falsely accusing them of using ChatGPT. And then the university responded with a new AI literacy course. The University of Iowa, University of Michigan. There's so much happening right now in AI and education. And this is just the right forum, the right opportunity for all of you to learn and study how to use these tools, what the opportunity is, what the problems are, and where we go all together. Because it's only if we are working together can we make this all work. One of my favorite hashtags is always be learning, and I look forward to learning with you at the start of this program. Thanks very much, and see you soon, everybody.